Marlin Steel Wire Products, LLC is a leading manufacturer of high-performance sheet metal and steel wire forms and baskets, working with a diverse client base since 1968. To meet widely varied needs, we produce and stock standard baskets for fast order fulfillment while offering custom wire basket fabrication services to deliver solutions tailored to your specific requirements for shape, size, material, and basket features or properties. Our custom-made wire baskets will last you for years or even decades with the proper material composition and care, reducing expenses on basket replacements over time. Discover the advantages of custom wire baskets for various industries and learn how Marlin Steel's team of mechanical engineers can help support and streamline your operations by designing, perfecting, and producing high-quality custom baskets for your application. Additionally, Marlin Steel's ISO 9001-2015 and ISO 13485-2016 certifications demonstrate our commitment to quality and regulatory compliance, ensuring that our customers receive products that meet the highest industry standards. Companies big and small rely on Marlin Steel for custom metal wire basket solutions. Each one of our baskets is engineered for efficiency. We rely on advanced design software, automation, and robotic solutions to streamline production workflows for optimal efficiency. Our baskets are built to last. Our team uses only high-quality materials and designs when engineering our industrial wire baskets to ensure durability and longevity in your products. Here at Marlin Steel, we are fast and reliable. We provide dependable and swift custom wire basket solutions to meet your deadlines and keep your operations moving. Our engineering team will collaborate with you to gain an in-depth understanding of your needs to deliver a superior product. Regardless of shape, size, or feature requirements like handles, hoists, dividers, and lids, we can design baskets tailored to your specific application. We also offer forklift-friendly baskets or thermally resistant ones for applications involving low or high temperatures. We have more than half a century of multi-market experience adhering to diverse industry standards and regulations. At Marlin Steel, we take a collaborative approach to design, working closely with your team to develop custom wire baskets that meet your unique requirements. Using sophisticated virtual testing software, such as Autodesk, to vet basket designs, our degreed engineers eliminate the time-consuming process of making endless prototypes that wouldn't work, saving you time and money. We'll build your wire baskets quickly with a level of consistency that manual labor simply can't match. Anything you need can be precision manufactured with rapid delivery thanks to our speed, efficiency, and accuracy of our automated fabrication solutions. We incorporate robotics into our wire mesh basket manufacturing process to achieve uniform quality in high-volume production runs. These robots assemble wire forms morning, noon, and night without getting tired. This allows for not only fast production of your baskets, but also ensures that each basket meets your tolerances from the first to the last. Our team also works with such advanced factory automation solutions as wire bending robots and a medium-frequency direct current welder generating the best welds in the USA. Our team is experienced in working with a range of high-quality materials so that we can provide you with options suited to your wire basket applications. Our selection includes stainless steel grades 304, 316, and 330, steel grades of 1008 and 1010, carbon steel, bright basic, low, medium, and high varieties, galvanized steel, copper, brass, aluminum, and other alloyed materials. When you partner with Marlin Steel for your custom metal baskets, our mechanical engineers will help you find the ideal coating or finish for your project, including a natural finish, soft polymers, scratch-resistant hard polymers, polish, passivation, and steel. Coatings such as nyloxy, Teflon, Halar, Kynar, powder, and plastic coat. We also have plating of nickel, zinc, chrome, and galvanized plate. Critical industries worldwide depend on Marlin Steel to design and manufacture custom metal baskets to their exact specifications and tolerance requirements. Our versatile metal wire baskets are ideal for numerous applications, including parts and material handling, high-temperature sanitation and sterilization, ultrasonic cleaning, aqueous parts cleaning, and vapor degreasing. They are beneficial for such industries such as aerospace, automotive, food processing, telecommunications, and medical. As your custom wire basket manufacturer, Marlin Steel provides rapid global delivery of 100% US-made products as part of our focus on quality engineered quick. We integrate industry expertise, extensive design and production services, a team of highly skilled degreed engineers, and state-of-the-art factory automation to produce custom metal forms with precision. As evidence of our commitment to quality, Marlin Steel is an ISO 9001-2015 certified and ISO 13485-2016 company. And upon request, we have our ASME BTH-1 2008 standard compliance form available. We look forward to collaborating with you closely.